Hi, my name is Diane Bass, and I'm a federal criminal defense attorney in Orange County, California. And I want to talk to you about your right to remain silent. This is what you might know as your Miranda rights, or your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Your Miranda rights are based on a case called Miranda versus Arizona, and there was an actual human being named Ernesto Miranda. Mr. Miranda is the person who gave birth to this whole idea of your right to remain silent. So what does that mean? Your Miranda rights relate to custodial interrogation. So if you are in a situation where you are not free to leave, it doesn't mean you're in jail. It doesn't even necessarily mean that you're handcuffed. It means you are not free to leave. So if you say to the police officer, "Am I free to leave?" and they say no, you're in custody. They may call it a detention, they may call it something else, but it is a custodial interrogation. Interrogation doesn't mean you have lights shining on you and they're drilling you for 6 hours and starving you and sleep depriving you. It just means they're asking you questions. Now, do they have to read you your Miranda rights in every situation? No, only if it is a custodial interrogation. So what happens if you make a statement after you've had your Miranda rights read to you? Or even if you haven't had your Miranda rights read to you? Let's back up a second and talk about what the advisement is that the cops will give you. They will say, you have a right to remain silent, and anything you say can and will be used against you. So that's what I want to focus on. Anytime you talk to the police, law enforcement, federal agents, anything you say will be used against you. We all think we're smarter than we are. We all think that we can talk our way out of a situation. The golden rule is don't talk. Keep your mouth shut. If you're talking to the police, just don't say anything. You can be polite, you can be cooperative, but there is nothing worse as a criminal defense attorney. Well, there are worse things, but one of the worst things is you're reading a police report and you're saying, they can't prove this case. They can't meet the elements of this offense. We're going to win this at trial. And then you get to the part of the police report where your client admitted to committing the crime. And you're like, great, we're screwed. So, bottom line is, don't talk. That's it.